So as you can see, currently I'm on my iPhone Files app, and in this folder I have a PDF file and 2 pictures. And now I will make this folder archive or zip, and here's how to do it. First of all, make sure you have installed the Shortcuts app. So go to your app store and search for Shortcuts, and this is a free app. Just install this Shortcut app on your iPhone. And now we will make zip file or RAR file using Shortcuts. So go ahead and open Shortcuts app on your iPhone, and then from Shortcuts page, tap on this plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the search actions box, type here select file and add select file action. Tap on this arrow icon and enable select multiple option. Again, tap on the search actions button, and this time search here make and select make archive action. And now tap on search actions for once more, and now here we have to search for save and select save file action, and just tap on this shortcut name and tap on rename and typing here zip making or zip maker. Tapping on done, tap on done, and here as you can see my shortcut successfully created. And now let's make zip file or RAR file. So just open Shortcut app and just tap on zip maker, and now go ahead and select the folder in which folder all of your photos and files stored. Now all you have to need, select your multiple photos or files, audio, video. Now tap on open, and after that go ahead and select a folder in which folder you want to export the RAR file or zip file. Then just tap on open, and that's it. Now go to your Files app and just go to the folder, and in this folder here we can see the zip file I just created, and this is how we can do it. If you want to rename the zip file, just hard press on the zip file, tap on rename, and rename your zip file.